Hey guys, today we are looking at Bitcoin and we're continuing this conversation. And now the question is, Raymond, how can we make money through Bitcoin? You know, it's first of all, it's $4,000 plus per Bitcoin. It sounds out there, it's unaffordable for most of us, but how really, if I don't have that kind of money, what's the minimum I can invest and how can I actually make money out of it?
Thank you so much, Rina, and thank you again for watching. You can interact with Bitcoin or make money with Bitcoin in 4 ways. Number one is that you can buy Bitcoin from the open market. And the way we buy land, you buy Bitcoin the same way now. Thankfully, you don't need to buy one Bitcoin to say that I have Bitcoin. The most common exchange platform we use today allows you to buy Bitcoin for as little as 2,000 shillings.
2,000 shillings?
So download a Bitcoin wallet, it's free, have it in your device. And if you have a 2,000 bob, 5,000 shillings, 10,000 shillings, you can buy Bitcoin, and this is interesting. You say this, Rina. 3 months ago, I was telling my kids, I'd given them some pocket money, $100 each. And I was telling them, look, why don't you guys buy Bitcoin? They said, no, Dad, I want my dollars. So last week I told them the Bitcoin value has more than doubled. If you had bought Bitcoin with that $100, and they're like, Dad, take.
Invest it for us.
Exactly. So you can buy Bitcoin. That's the first strategy. Okay. The second strategy, whatever business or service you offer, it is a wise thing now to quote for your services or products using Bitcoin.
So, for example, I have a book.
Yes.
Right? And I sell it for 1,000 shillings. I can also quote that you can use Bitcoin to buy the book.
Go to Amazon.com.
And it's not illegal?
It's not illegal.
Okay.
It's if you go to Amazon today, you can buy books using Bitcoin.
Yeah. So
I'm sure your book is already there.
So I'm actually getting it there.
Fantastic. So I'll buy it there using Bitcoin.
Okay.
So if I liken this to Lipa na M-Pesa.
Yeah.
10 years ago, if somebody told you a time is coming when I'll pay you on the phone, you'd have told me, Raymond, you're dreaming. But today I walk in somewhere, I don't find Lipa na M-Pesa, I walk out because we rarely walk around with cash anymore. Now, when you go to London, Tokyo, New York, all these big cities, I doubt if you'll find Lipa na M-Pesa. No. It's mostly used in Kenya. But today, travel the world, you'll see Bitcoin accepted here. Yeah. So the rest of the world is already running, with Bitcoin. Yeah. So if you run a business, it's a smart thing to be paid in Bitcoin. It's a smart thing to be paid in Bitcoin. Now, the third strategy is that you can become somebody who is buying and selling Bitcoins as a trader. You can become a trader individually as Rina. There are so many platforms today that allows you to list yourself as a trader. If you go to www.localbitcoins.com, localbitcoins.com is in every country in the world. If you go today and click on Kenya, you'll see over 50 traders, people who are individuals buying and selling Bitcoin.
And I can use Kenya shillings?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. You can have.
I don't have to convert to dollars and then to Bitcoin.
No, Kenya. They quote in Kenya shillings.
Oh, awesome.
Another platform is called Remitano, allowing individuals like you and me to buy and sell our Bitcoins. So, for example, if in January this year, Rina, you, let's say, bought 10 Bitcoins when a Bitcoin was $1,000.
It was $1,000?
Yes.
In January 2017? In January,
yeah. In January 2017.
I should have done this earlier.
It's okay. So obviously there are windows for trading.
Yeah.
Now, if you want to trade big time, you want to set up a business, then obviously apply for the necessary regulation, license to operate a Bitcoin exchange platform.
Like BitPesa, for
like
example.
BitPesa or Belfrix, Bluno, there are so many Coinbase. Every part of the world has Bitcoin exchange platforms. And then there now you are really looking at volume. If you look at most exchange platforms today, the margins range between 2 to 3% over and above the market rate. So they will only make more money if they are dealing in 100 or 200 Bitcoins a day. The fourth way of profiting from Bitcoin is now going to the source. This is something known as Bitcoin mining.
Okay.
Ask yourself this, Rina, when you go to BitPesa or Belfrix or local Bitcoins or any platform that is selling Bitcoins, where are they getting those Bitcoins that they are selling to you? They are getting them from source. To get Bitcoins from source, you need to get involved in Bitcoin mining.
Okay.
Now, Bitcoin mining, I think we'll cover this in the next clip,
Yeah.
but it's something that right now is competitive and very high capital intensive.
Yeah. But it's possible to invest.
It's possible to invest
in the mining.
In the mining.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
So there's 4 ways, you heard them. There's 4 ways that we can invest and actually make money through the Bitcoin. This is an amazing, amazing opportunity. I mean, if it was $1,000 in January, and right now we're talking about $4,000 as at today, we're in August 2017, I don't think we can continue to ignore this Bitcoin any longer. At least I'm not. So please stay tuned if you're still wondering, okay, so how else can I make money? Next, we're looking at Bitcoin mining and how you can actually invest in mining. This is Rena Hicks, and you're on MoneyWise, where we create, grow, and preserve wealth.